Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and today we have with us a very interesting new device from Huawei called the Nova 3. In this video, we'll be giving you a quick feature overview of this latest offering from Huawei. Without further ado, let's get started. The Nova 3 comes with a head-turner twilight color and it's as beautiful as one can imagine. It has a 6.3-inch 19.5:9 IPS LCD display with a screen-to-body ratio of 84.2% at front. This phone has a notch display. Huawei has used the notch in a very resourceful manner. The notch on the Huawei Nova 3 houses front-facing infrared sensor which allows users to use face unlock in low light as well. It has a 24 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual camera setup at front. The notch also houses earpiece and some other sensors. On the right of the phone we have textured power button and volume rockers. On the right we have a dual hybrid SIM card tray which can house 1 nano SIM with 1 micro SD card or 2 nano SIM cards. On the bottom we have the speaker grill, primary mic, 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port. Flipping to the back of the phone we have the gorgeous twilight blue purple glass back. It has a dual camera setup on the rear of the phone which incorporates a 16 megapixel primary camera with a 24 megapixel monochrome sensor, both with an aperture of f-stop 1.8. We also have a conveniently placed fingerprint scanner in the middle and Huawei branding on the bottom left side of the rear. The specifications of this phone are also top notch with high silicon Kirin 970 processor which comes with AI capabilities. There is 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal memory, Android 8.1 Oreo and a large 3750 mAh battery. It runs on Huawei's custom skin called EMUI 8.2 which is based on Android 8.1. It offers a bunch of software customizations and features like party mode. The USP of this phone is the quad camera setup which is powered by AI or artificial intelligence functionality. We clicked some pictures with this and here are some samples for you to judge how good this camera is. Do let us know in the comments how do you find these pictures. The AI camera also offers features like Q emoji, which is Huawei's answer to iPhone's Animoji and Samsung's AR emoji. It also has light modes for augmenting various lighting techniques in photos using artificial intelligence. It has an infrared sensor in the notch which enables to use face unlock in low light situation, which differentiates it from many other phones which cannot do that. All in all, it's a very featured packed bundle and comes at an aggressive pricing. The Best Buy links to this phone are provided in the description section below, so if you want to pick up one for yourself, just hit that link. Do let us know your thoughts and suggestions about this phone. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Stay subscribed and press the bell icon. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.